I made this channel at the end of 2023 so that I can make as many people as I can get Discord Nitro. And over the last years, many people have supported me in this journey because they got Nitro from me, but now it's your time. Watch this full video and do what I say, and you will be able to get your hands on those perks of Nitro. Subscribe to this channel because in case this does not work, then the next one video's trick will. This is a trick everyone uses on my channel because every single video of mine is there to give you Nitro. First thing you need to understand that this secret offer of Discord only works for a certain types of people, such as the ones who have never had Nitro in the past 12 months. So what you will need to do for this is go to the description and open this Streamlabs link. In here, click on this login or sign in button to log in or make an account if you don't have one. Once your account is made, the website will redirect you to this dashboard, and if you look at the right side, you can see the Claim Discord Nitro button, and that's how you can get the Discord Nitro promotional link. Claiming Nitro from this link is the same as it has always been. If you can't claim this link, you can sell these links for a few bucks to people on web stores.